was a vibrant, bustling place. Until one fateful day in 79 AD. It started out like any other. People woke up, went to work, ate at restaurants, and visited temples and theaters. Then a loud boom shook the city. The explosion came from nearby Mount Vesuvius. What the people of Pompeii thought was a mountain was actually a deadly volcano, and it had just started to erupt. The disaster would spell the end of Pompeii. Here's what you need to know about Pompeii. Ash, rock, and gases sped down the volcano at 180 miles per hour. Instead of oozing lava, Mount Vesuvius unleashed a fast-moving pyroclastic flow on the city. The super-hot material reached a temperature of 570 degrees Fahrenheit and completely buried the city in debris. It killed about 2,000 people in Pompeii and an estimated 30,000 people in the region. A 17-year-old observed the eruption and wrote an account of the disaster. At the time, the teen, named Pliny the Younger, was in the nearby city of Misenum. He wrote letters about what he saw.
You can hear the shrieks of women, the crying of children, and shouts of men. The sight that met our still, terrified eyes was a changed world, buried in ash like snow.
The rediscovery of Pompeii was an accident. In 1748, workers digging a canal unearthed walls decorated with paintings. They had stumbled on the site of Pompeii. Archaeologists have been excavating the site ever since. What they found was a city frozen in time. They have discovered almost perfectly preserved paintings, jewelry, food, and even Vesuvius victims. People's final moments were preserved in the ash. The ash that covered the city hardened over time. Bodies trapped underneath decayed. That left behind cavities or holes in the hardened ash. Archaeologists can pour plaster into these holes to make casts of Pompeii's residents. Today, Pompeii is one of the most visited sites in the world. So far, about 2/3 of the city has been uncovered. Experts continue to discover more about what happened on that tragic day almost 2,000 years ago. What more can you discover about Pompeii?